on, guys? And we are back on another video.
That was...
What's going on, guys? We're back on another video, and today we're going to be doing the challenge where we try to fly in an airplane all game long. So, I'm going to be the driver of this airplane, right, Logan?
Yep.
And then he's going to be the guy who gets out and he gets on the gas pumps and fuels it back up. Because, you know, airplanes need gas now. Oh, look, it's right here. Alright, Logan, we're going to get the loot inside and then get the plane ready, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna get a med kit.
Yeah, actually, get up. Company, we're going to get all the loot before everyone else.
There's two people here, I have no guns.
Get the guns. There's guns. There's,
I got one.
And the... Wait, did they take all the planes?
No, I think they just took one.
Yeah, we still got one. So, Logan, we're going to stay in the planes all game, okay?
Okay.
Get in.
Yep,
Take
I'm
it
on.
off, boys! Alright, we gotta stop at a gas station.
Here, hold on.
I can't move it, dude. Wait.
Come on. I need you to get me. I have a med kit.
I gotta go.
What are you doing?
I gotta go. What? I'm gonna die too. I don't have enough time. I'm sorry. I gotta go without you. My heart is beating.
Yeah, there's 3 people. You might want to get yourself away out in case. Ooh, buddy.
Chill.
Well, you got it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No! Are you serious? Can I count that as a win? Like, come on, dude.
Alright, let me mark the gas station, mate. Got one right here.
Alright. Fill this up.
That was actually pretty nice, man.
Get some chilies. Alright, well, come on, dude.
You need help? Watch out! Get him! Watch out! Over here! Take this stuff. No. Oh! I'm dead. They sniped me off the back of a plane. I see them. They're over here. I'm in circle.
Oh,
yes,
no, I definitely cannot. Guys, this is probably cheating, but I gotta abandon. That sucks. Logan's dead, my airplane's dead. What am I supposed to do? But I'm counting this as a win if we get it. There's one guy left.
Oh, nice. What happened to the airplane?
It exploded. Yes! Yes! Let's go, baby! Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you'll like and subscribe. We're gonna make more meme videos soon. Alright, adios, guys.